people are out buying things. Okay, so there's a lot of taxis parked. So that's why I look like you walk around with some red, brown toes. I walked in the street in a lot of countries. This is one I would say I don't like doing it. They're selling underwear, things like that. What's going on? We are still in Kampala, Uganda. We checking out the streets at night. See if it's live like it is during the daytime. I'm on a busy street. I'm about to look up the name of the street. I want to check out, see how it is at nighttime. This area isn't as busy as my hotel. I'm a good maybe 5 kilometers from the hotel. We're just gonna hang out in this street, see what's going on. I see a lot of food coming up further down. Let's see if we can check out. There's a few people out here selling things, not a lot. Not sure, this is a big building right here. Not sure what that is. But yeah, enjoying the time here. When the sun sets, it gets cool. It's real nice right now. I got shorts on, t-shirt, and my tennis shoes. I ain't been wearing my chunkless because it is dusty. My tennis shoes is dusty. I don't want to be walking around with some red, brown toes. You can see, the dust is everywhere. That's time been nice here. I would say if you do visit here, a good 2 days of exploring the capital is maybe all you need. Then go out to whatever else you're gonna do. I've seen some pictures of some beautiful forests where the gorillas at, monkeys. They have some sanctuaries with some giraffes and other animals. People coming to the country, that's where they go. But yeah, I think 2 days is more than enough to go around and check out the city. Check out, let me zoom in so you can see houses in the mountains back up in there. That's everywhere. That's nice. Okay, there's some vendors out here. She's selling some toilet paper. That's my first time seeing toilet paper being sold. Mainly fruits. Real nice here. It's safe. Just like it is during the daytime. It seemed chaotic. Yes, there's a million people walking, traffic. These motorbikes, you have to be very careful. I haven't seen anyone get hit from the few days I've been here, but I'm surprised I haven't seen anyone get hit with how they just do not stop for you. You have to be careful when you're out here trying to cross the roads. Sometimes you don't get this big sidewalk and you're just inches close from all the bikes. Try to get through traffic. Got got 2 petrol stations. I got a big service center in the back there. That's one thing I haven't seen a lot of mechanic shops here. There is one back there I see in the background. This big building here says Bible House. I don't know what that is. This is more calm. I don't think you need to see. If you seen my area during the daytime in my first video, it's probably gonna be the same at night. So I figured I'll start the video off outside of that area. It's still crazy for me. I don't even know why hotels would be in that area. But the hotel has a lot of A lot of people inside. You see there's a service station. And this, oh, this is a big one. It's wrapping around. There's buildings here to the left. I'm on a different camera. It's my first time using my DJI Pocket. I think this is a 3. Oh, this is the 4. They just came out with the 5. I haven't used this at night because it's the Action 5, Action 4. I'm giving every name they own. My Pocket 3 is acting up, so. And I doubt if I will see that camera for sale. I've been in 2 countries already. I haven't seen it in any stores. And if I do, this is unsafe. Here's how you want to drive on the sidewalk. There's a big hospital right here behind these trees in the backdrop. Huge. But you can see all the dust. You got allergies. You got sensitive skin or nose. Ooh, this would be tough for you. So they don't care about the lights. You really don't know when's a good time to cross. You kind of taking a big chance. Usually, I'll wait for a local to come cross too. They know way better than I do when is a good chance. But you can see here, you just don't know. It says green for me, but all right, well, it's good. When I think about just trying to cross the street, I think it was Friday movie with Ezel or somebody. They looking left and right every half a second. That's how I feel when I'm trying to cross. You have to turn your head. I got dust in my eye. You have to be visible. I don't know how if you under the influence out here, it's dangerous. You probably gonna get hit. So if you gonna drink at home. Check this out. This goes down deep in there. There's some shopping. I don't know if it's a neighborhood down there too, but it goes down. Teacher's house. The time right now is, it's not late, it's not too late. I gotta get my phone. I got my phone locked up in my bag. It's around 8, 9 o'clock in the evening here in Kampala, Uganda. We got a few more African countries to visit before we head to our next destination, our next continent. I've been doing a lot of videos in Asia, and you know, my channel was pretty new, but I started looking at my channel and my videos. I said, man, most of these videos are Southeast Asia, so I said, let me switch it up a little bit. I would love to go back to Central South America. Of course, DR is where I'm from. What's up? But it's tough to do content out there when you go some places that it's just all Spanish. And I don't find the videos to be as fun, entertaining, if I can't really communicate with the locals. I need to get my Spanish game up. Check those lights out in the background. It's real nice. But I need to get my Spanish up so I can be able to enjoy those areas more. See my boy Ace. I've been watching Ace for a long time. If y'all haven't watched his channel, y'all gotta know his channel. If y'all watching my channel, I'm sure y'all know about Ace. His Spanish is good. He's speaking good Spanish. And I watch his content in Central South America, and he can get around. We got kids playing. Man, it's real quiet over here. Let me check out my map. See where I'm going. It just went from busy to like, it switched up quick. Let me see what's up. You got another big gas station right there. Check my map out. The crowd disappeared. We're gonna see where the people at, see where some vendors are, hang out with them. Here's the nightlife area. Looks like it's gonna be a nice lounge. Got lights and things going. Might have to check that out this weekend. This is by the 4 Points Sheridan. Get your luxury 4-bedroom apartment. There's no price. Curious on how much that'll cost. Alright. We're coming up on a major intersection. Then we're gonna be towards the markets, where we're gonna see all the fun. Like the first video. So we're gonna head up there. Ain't much over here. It's real, it's kind of more quiet, chill up here. So a little bit further down, that's where it's gonna get back crazy. All right. See, we got the vendors out here, all the taxi bikes. Check out all these trucks out here. They got merchandise things up there. These streets ain't for the weak. Got oranges. I don't know if that might be a lime. Clothes. I'm still on the outskirts of the market. I still got a little ways to my hotel. There's some huge buildings over here. Got shops at the bottom, but then I don't know what's up top. I don't know if y'all can see all the chaos up ahead with the traffic, all the people on the side of the streets, in the streets. Let me just stop, zoom in. Yeah. This ain't for the weak. You gotta be built for this. The roads packed, the sidewalks packed. People will not move out your way. You will bump to a lot of people. So all that personal space is out the window. I'm surprised this little street here ain't packed right now, but I mean, y'all seen how it's been. You look up ahead, it's like nothing is moving. Okay, so there's a lot of taxis parked, so that's why it looks like there's no movement. But then when you look towards the middle of the street, you don't see anything moving. Yeah. It's really not that loud, even though you would think. I've been to some places where it was so loud, it was bad. But it's not that loud. Seeing a lot of trash over in this area compared to the area I just left. Let's slide through here. We gotta go through the container to get to the other side. Oh, we're gonna hit the street. Let's hit the street. We gotta go around all those people. But yeah, I walked in the street in a lot of countries. This is one I would say I don't like doing it. They doing construction. Can't get through. This is what happens. Trying to get through, you can. Roadblock. He's selling sugar canes right next to the street. Construction. Wow. Got all that. Shops stay open real late here. I wonder if people are actually shopping this late. But yeah, now we're in the middle of the street with a big bus coming through. Let me see which way I need to go. Got somebody with a loudspeaker going. Let me see if I need to go straight or turn. Alright, I'm gonna turn right here. Then I need to turn right. Check this out.
Galinya simanyi baliwandiika nawandiika divide olw'ensonga nti mu kusoma nakwatanga obugundi obusooka oba nti divide awo kati kwe nasomanga divide ngasenga bakiringa david kye nasooka okuwandiika kati twakola ekigezo kukomawo erinya bagamba kayita divide kirasi yonna nenseka musomesa mbuuza gwe divide nemugamba david ne baseka wenna kyerinnya.
This is at night. I guess people come out at night because it's not as hot. I need to be in the street. That's the sidewalk. There's no movement there. Then you got, yeah, we're going to go this way. We're going to follow down. It's my first time seeing broccoli. I haven't seen broccoli out here. Yeah. It's live. This is 2025 Africa edition. We enjoying the travels. Hopefully this encourages others to get out, travel, and see the world. And if you can't right now, you can stay tuned to my channel and watch it through the lens of my camera. That's why I started this. Follow, subscribe if you already haven't. This is loud over here. They're selling underwear, things like that. If you got good shoes on, don't wear them. Your shoe gonna get stepped on. I had to look back to see who was close on me. Every step I made, they were stepping on me. It was a little lady. I know this ain't for everybody. It's not for me. But I'm still enjoying showing you all how it is. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, I finally made it close to my hotel. If I can make it there. This is a lot. But yeah, this is Kampala. Some people will stop right in front of you, think they keep walking in. Nope. They pull a switcheroo on you. But yeah, this is Kampala at night. People are out buying things. I'm enjoying the night. I'll hang out a little bit, not too long, and take this in. But we're gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.